Has there ever been a case in the history of New York where we make a demand to settle a case and the defense turns around and says, "You're absolutely right, here's your check"? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. There was a massive snowstorm yesterday. It dumped 9 inches of snow here in New York. I'm shooting some great video with you today. I want to share this really cool information with you. So now, in a case involving a medical malpractice matter or an accident matter or even a wrongful death matter, there is really only one instance that I can think of where the defense will turn around and says, "Yes, we agree with your settlement demand. Here's your check." And you know when that would happen? That would happen when the defense has a limited amount of insurance. And now we make a demand for the entire insurance policy. Now the defense recognizes that the injuries are worth far in excess of what the insurance policy provides for. So let's say, for example, they have a $1 million policy, and now it turns out that the injuries are much more significant and your case might be worth $2 million, $3 million, $5 million. And now we turn around and say, "Listen, we want $1 million to settle this case on your behalf." And they turn around, they evaluate the case, they determine, you know what, they are wrong, they did something improperly, maybe they were careless, negligent, or maybe they violated the basic standards of care, causing you injury or even death. And now they're looking at their insurance policy and they see they have only $1 million in coverage. But they know that the injuries are worth much more. So what do they do in that instance? Well, typically what they'll do is they'll try and reduce and minimize the amount that they actually have to pay out, and they'll try and negotiate. But where the injuries are so obvious and the injuries are so significant and the damages are so much more in excess of what the insurance policy covers, then in the very limited instance, they will likely turn around and say, "You know what? You're right. We are tendering our insurance policy in the full amount of $1 million. Does this happen often? No, it doesn't happen often. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you a sense of what occurs in these civil litigations involving an accident case, medical malpractice case, or even a wrongful death case in New York. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular problems. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit and you've got questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.